del Carmen. We're gonna go check out an Airbnb for $240 US for 3 nights. Oh my God, what a steal. And it's pet friendly even. Vámonos, let's go. Here in Playa del Carmen, Quintana Roo, Mexico. Vámonos. Alright guys, so the infamous 5th Ave is right there, and here's our destination right here. Let's go inside and check it out. We're in the party zone. Vámonos, let's go. Get the little fur ball. Aww, they're ready to go to bed?
He's very excited.
They're excited to be in Playa del Carmen. Their vacation from their vacation. Well, that's pretty fancy. Look at this, guys. They're electric. We're like, how do you open these blinds? Courtney figured it out. There's a control panel over there. And look at the fridge. Wow.
I think it was Jennifer with the remote.
This is a pretty swanky place. Very nice. And that is one massive TV. One massive TV. Not much of a view, but you got a nice little patio here. And you got a beautiful tree outside here. How beautiful is that? Very nice. Oh yeah. Well, we'll go check out the rooftop pool here in a minute, guys. Very nice. It's okay. Hey, what do you guys think? Home for a few days?
That's not real grass.
That is a nice big TV. Very nice. So, as you can see, pet friendly. Again, $200 US for 3 nights. That's pretty impressive. Very, very nice. Yeah, so we thought this was the same place that our friend stayed at, but it's not. It's owned by the same company, but different location. So you got a safe, you got a lot of closet space. Beautiful bathroom. Oh, wow. Nice shower head. Oh, there's your hot water on demand right in the bathroom. Oh, that's kind of different. You got your hot waters right there. Hot water on demand. Oh, nice. It's even got a fan. Very nice. Great deal.
Yes.
And they are like 1 block from 5th Ave. Like, wow. Okay, we'll go check out the rooftop pool.
There's water in the fridge.
Check it out, check it out. Not a fan of the induction stove, but I imagine you're going to be doing a lot of eating out anyway. I like the lighting up there.
This is nice too, like a little
Oh
it's
yeah,
like
yeah.
English and Spanish.
Yeah.
And like
Very nice, in English and Spanish both.
Yeah.
I like when they do stuff like this because it's, oh, there's parking. Yeah, it's just convenient, right? And you can just be like, oh, okay, here we are. Here's a map and everything.
favorite places.
Very nice.
Nice.
So this you booked on Airbnb?
Yeah. Yep.
There you go. The price is right too. Okay, we'll go check out the pool and a couple shakes of a lamb's tail.
Let's put the dog's water out and then we can leave them in here.
Oh wow.
Hola.
Hola. Yeah, this is the same layout as what our friends had though.
Sorry? He's gonna take a video real quick.
Alright, yeah, sure, you're free.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good. We'll get one.
Very nice. Oh, they got a weight room too, eh? Check it out.
Yeah.
Very nice. Little bar area, seating area, beautiful view. Wow. A little bit windy, not too terribly bad. That view is the selling feature right there though. Nice view of the city here too, really. Very nice. Alright guys, well if you like this rooftop pool, smash that like button.
I thought I could go up to the railing.
Here's your little seating area. Yeah. Oh, there's the baseball or football or soccer field right over there. Nice pool across the way. Check that out. Very, very nice. Our new Canadian friends from Montreal.
From Montreal, yeah.
Montreal, Canada. Canadians are everywhere. Darn Canucks.
Especially in Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're now it's the low.
So I'll drop the location up there for you, my friend, and show you exactly where we're at. We just walked one block over from the Airbnb here. We're gonna go grab a quick snack and then head on home. Thanks for joining us. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Vámonos.
Vámonos!
Vámonos! That's Fifth Ave right in front of us. Right?
Yeah.
Right there. Right there. Zetla Siba. Yeba. I'm sure that's from Costco.
When is it? Is it
Jennifer and her plate of fries. Your tacos look amazing.
Yeah, we wanted to stay pretty bad. Yeah.
Dig in, Chuck.
The first year we got it for free. The menu for free. But I just want you to know that you.
All right, guys, that was pretty good, but we gotta go, man. Vámonos, vámonos. Let's go, let's go. We gotta hit up the AutoZone for our dear friend, so we are on a mission.
It's hot.
Hot, that's it. We're hot. We're ready to go. So we're just leaving the AutoZone here, my friends. We got some lube and whatnot for our dear friend Roberto back over in Selva. So we had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed the little Airbnb tour. Smash that like button, share, be kind to one another. God bless. Adios. Hasta luego. Dios te bendiga. What do you got?
Hasta el próximo video. Adios.
Adios. Take care, guys. Catch you on the next one. Now to drive back home. Vámonos, let's go.
Yeah. Two gringos on the Gulf, just us and the tide slow pull, chasing the horizon, feeling that freedom to the full. Yeah, it's two gringos on the Gulf where the salty breeze blows free, casting lines and making memories, wild and happy as can be.